Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope that everybody is fine. Again, Shagufta Khurram is here with lecture 3 of the Glass Menagerie. We discussed the last two lectures related with the play The Glass Menagerie, uh, written by Tennessee Williams. Here we are going to talk about the third lecture of the same play, that The Glass Menagerie. This third lecture belongs to the themes of the play, analysis of the play, and questions to write the answers. Okay, so let's discuss the themes of the Glass Menagerie. Themes and symbolism is there. Number of the themes are there. I will discuss one theme in detail by highlighting each character of the play. Then you can discuss the other themes in the same manner as I do discuss with you. So you can write in the same manner. So the very important and very highlighted theme of this play is the difficulty of accepting reality. This is the major theme and one of the important themes of the play, The Glass Menagerie. How the characters had the difficulty to accept the reality. We know that, as we have gone through the story, that every character in the Glass Menagerie tries to escape himself or herself from the reality. Actually, they were not in a view to accept the reality. So they had the difficulty to accept the reality. For example, if we talk about Laura, Laura, out of 3 Wingfields, reality has far away the weakest crest of Laura. The private world in which she lives is populated by glass animals. Objects that, like Laura's inner life, are incredibly and fanciful and dangerously delicate. So if we talk about the Laura, that how Laura has escaped herself from the reality, she used to spend most of her time by playing with those glass animals, and she thought that the glass animals represents her personality. We are coming on another character, Tom. Tom is capable of functioning in the real world, as we see in his holding down a job and talking to strangers. But in the end, he has no more motivation than Laura does to pursue professional success. Romantic relationships or even ordinary friendships, and he prefers to retreat in the fantasies provided by literature and movies, and stupor provided by drunkenness. We know that how Tom, even though Tom was a real person, actually he wanted to face the reality, but in the end again he does the same as during his job. He escapes himself rather to coming back to home, but he goes to movies, he goes to enjoy the literature, even he drinks a lot. So he actually does not want to face the realities of life. So he had also the difficulty to accept the reality. Third character, that is Amanda. Amanda's relationship to reality is the most complicated in the play. Unlike her children, she is partial to real world values and longs for social and financial success. Yet, her attachment to these values is exactly what prevents her from perceiving a number of truths about her life. Actually, Amanda, we have gone through the story. You can see that Amanda actually does not want to face the reality. Again and again, she discusses about her past, and she actually does not want to face the realities and things which are real. As she asks Laura to face the world, she asks Tom to bring some proposal for Laura. She always discuss the beauty of the Laura, but she does not see the disability of her daughter. So this was the big issue with this family, that the difficulty of accepting reality was a major theme of this play. I discuss one theme in detail. There are some other themes as well, like freedom and confinement, duty, family responsibility, memory in the past, weakness, deception and lies, dreams, hopes and plans, abandonment, marriage, gender, love, drugs, and alcohol. These are some other themes. You can also discuss one by one by highlighting the character as I discuss with you. So these are some other themes you can see. Now let's discuss the analysis of the play. The Glass Menagerie is a play that is very important to modern literature. Tennessee Williams describes 4 separate characters, their dreams and the harsh realities they faced in the modern world. His setting is in St. Louis during the Depression era. The story is about a loving family that is constantly in conflict. To convey his central theme, Williams uses symbols. He also expresses his theme through the characters' incapability in living in the present. The cramped apartment emphasizes the tough times facing the Wingfield. The fire escape gives the glimmer of escape from the close quarters, but it's not a real escape. The father's portrait dominates the scene just as his absence haunts the family. The on-stage screen that displays images keeps the audience aware that the play is meant to be symbolic, stylized rather than realistic. This is the analysis, a little analysis of the Glass Menagerie. What do you think? What should be the conclusion? I think that in life we struggle different kind of hardships, rejections, abandonment, deceptions, lies, and even in our family we experience those things very much. But always remember that there is no perfect family unless love is the center of it. And no matter what happens when trouble comes, it's your family that supports you always. So it is us who can decide where we should go to forgive or to forget, to accept things. And even Tom didn't see the beauty of his family, and still Laura is like a fragile glass menagerie. There is still one thing stand in the end, is that the love of their mother, because there is no perfect mother, but they love perfectly. That's a conclusion. And now let's discuss very important point, that is writing of answers. Question number 1 is, The Glass Menagerie is a psychological and memory play by Tennessee Williams. Discuss how this play is psychological and how this play is full of memory. You have to discuss. Okay. Question number 2 is, how do the past memory and American dream affect on the characters in the play? You have to discuss each and every character of the play, that how these two themes affected in the play. Okay. Question number 3, discuss the major themes of the play, The Glass Menagerie. Give references from the original text. As I have given number of the themes to you, you can discuss in detail, but you have to give reference from the original text by quoting the lines of the characters. Question number 4, analyze the play Glass Menagerie. You can give your own point of view. You can give the critics, ideas, reviews. You can analyze in whatever manner you want. There should be a detailed answer. Thank you guys. So this was a Glass Menagerie. We discussed the play in 3 lectures. Take care of yourself.